Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you my okra. This okra right here is called a Bubba okra. It is a short variety of okra. It is amazing. I mean, look how short and stout this thing is. And it is beautiful, has tons of fruit. So let's go ahead and get harvesting. So I know I'm going to have okra that has been overgrown in between and not quite just ready, but we're just going to harvest most of these because we want some new ones to come on. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so we're going to get in here and I want to show you guys. Look at this. Look at that. Can you guys see all of that okra right there? So we're going to harvest. This is just one plant. We're going to get in here and get this okra off. You guys can see here. I might need to go get a bigger bowl. All right. Great for seed. Great for your juicing. So if you like to have okra water, great to cook with. All right, that came off of one. I'm gonna go get my stool. I'll be right back. All right, so much better. All right, so you guys just look at that. All right, so this okra right here, my brother suggested this and he actually purchased these seeds for me. And I am so happy with this variety. It is prolific. I mean, hello. I have to probably go get a bigger basket. Yeah, this is not going to be enough to, I don't think so. I think it's going to fill this bowl. I'm going to show you guys. This is just going for 2 plants. I don't think I'm going to have enough room for these okra. I love okra. I think it's really good. I know a lot of people don't like the slime, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I like the benefits, so I'm okay with it. All right, we're on. This was the two okra plants. Okay, and I think I have, I don't know, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made 10 of them in here. 10 of them in this planter. Now this planter is by Ollie's Raised Beds. Really like their beds. I did purchase some beds off of Amazon and they rusted. Not too happy about that because it said it was galvanized. So that's why when I spoke about it in a previous video that the bed rusts. So be mindful when it says galvanized, no rust resistant, bop bop bop. I'm telling you guys for a fact. So this one here, these beds back here, the Ollie's Raised Bed and my yeah, these are Ollie's. Yes, Ollie's beds. These are Ollie's beds. Is these Ollie's beds? Yes, these are Ollie's beds. Yeah, these are all Ollie's beds. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's all these raised beds. I think let me think. My 3-tier bed is not Ollie's, the 3-tier one, but these three here are Ollie's raised beds. A lot of new flowers are coming on. You guys can see at the top here. I'm going to try to harvest all of this because you guys, I got to go inside and cook dinner. So I'm going to finish up harvesting all this, and then I'll go ahead and get to doing some other stuff in the house because I got things to do in the house. So I need to get to it. I like to eat the small ones raw. They're sweet to me. I like to eat those raw. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna have to come out here and I'm going to clean out the chicken coop really good. Go ahead and prep them some new bedding, change their water, and fill a feeder up, and do a little bit of raking in there, and just get their little area nice and clean back out. But I'm gonna have to do it after I get off work. Alright, you guys, we are at the end of this video. I do have some seed ones, I do have some for juicing, and as well I have some just to go ahead and cook. And I hope you guys enjoyed We have harvested most of them. I'm going to leave the smaller ones on, but we did go ahead and harvest the ones that were ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Happy gardening. Okra. Hi, Ramon. Hi, Ramon. Ramon. Vanilla. Ramon, don't want to talk to me today. Ramon. I guess not. All right, bye. Happy gardening.